the morning.
I know, but we only got 3 days to be here, so I'm trying to experience every day that I can.
We are tired. That plane ride was 3 hours.
I know, but we can do something.
Close them blinds back, bitch.
I thought we was gonna go down the street to the aquarium.
Bitch, it's 6 in the morning. Them fish ain't even up yet. They not woke.
Close them fucking blinds, bitch. No.